Okay, so this video will be a little bit different. I'm going to introduce you to some flashcards that you can print out and laminate by yourself. These are the cards, and there's three different versions. Versions that come with just the uppercase, versions that come with just the lowercase, and then this version, which also contains the word. You can repeat by saying apple. So the kids have a reference, okay? So these cards can be printed as big as A3. So let me just show you what that A3 looks like. So this is 4 cards printed at A3, and this is 1 printed at A3. So you can see how big that is, it's huge. Let me just do a simple drilling technique. Look in the description if you want to skip ahead. I just want to demonstrate how to do phonics. People do it differently, and people sometimes pronounce it differently too, depending where you're from in the world, but here we go. So that would be apple. Ball. Cat. Dog. Egg. Fish. Goat. Hat. Igloo. Jam. King. Lion. Moon. Not. Orange. Pig. Queen. Rocket. Sun. Tree. Umbrella. Van. Watch. Fox. Yo-yo. Zip. Okay, so that's the way I do it, but many people recently, many teachers also don't say it like I say it. They say z, umbrella. So they emphasize the sound more. But these are just my cards and how I do them with the kids. So now you've done it like that. If you've been putting them on the desk, you can also go in reverse. Okay, so after you've drilled them, you want to practice them. So maybe you did a song first and then you practiced the flashcards. And now you want to test them a little bit. So the way that you can do that is just cover the first card and then, pull out cards at random. So say, okay, who can guess the sound? Who can guess it? And the first person to say it maybe gets the card, something like that. or you can just test the class. You can say, okay, what does this sound make? What does this sound make? And just do like 4 or 5 and then continue on to the next activity. So another thing that you can do here is, if you'd like to, you can also cut these up. So if you just cut this line here and then cut them in half, then you can separate them and then play a matching activity too. So that was my explanation on the flashcards and how to drill them. Thank you.